Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to draw in Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to draw in your Google Keep, you just simply have to open your Keep Notes application, and after that you will get to see this brush icon at the bottom. Now, in order to draw, you just simply have to tap into this brush icon at the bottom besides the recorder option. And after tapping into there, Notes will provide you a blank page here in order to draw. Now, Keep Notes will provide some different colored pencils or pens in order to draw in here. Now, just simply have to select the pen from this section and then you can draw it into this page. As you can see here, I can draw in different colors pencil. This way you can easily draw anything that you like into Google Keep. And after that you can also erase it by just using this eraser option. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.